Hey everyone, welcome back. A little bit of a different video today. I finally got myself a shop after 5 years in business. Took it real slow. Something popped up. Super excited about it. Going to give you the tour in just a second, kind of show you my plans. Will say it's a complete mess right now. Disregard it. We've only been in here a week and we kind of just moved everything from the storage unit and our houses, whatever. Just kind of piled it all in. Most of the stuff's out in the trailers, but yeah, let's get into it. So here is the shop. We'll just start the tour right off here at the main door. To the left here, you'll see we'll have a garage door. It's about 10 by 10. The ceilings in here are about 10.5 feet. And it's about 1,800 square feet total. And we're getting a killer deal on it. It's only $500 a month plus utility. I live in rural upstate New York for reference, with some college towns around that really are most of our work. But yeah, so let's start off straight ahead here. You can see a little bathroom. Nothing crazy. In fact, right now the water's not even hooked up yet, and they got some blown pipes because this place was empty for 2 years. So you can see a toilet, shop sink. There's a hot water heater behind the door here. That's pretty much it for the bathroom. Pretty light. Moving on here to the right here, I gotta back up a bit because otherwise it's kind of too close. Anyways, right here is going to be, so our business is kind of set up. It's my brother and I. My brother runs mostly the painting. That's like our bread and butter. I'll do like the carpentry, handyman stuff, all that stuff. So we have plans to scale, especially now that we have a shop. So this section right here is going to be like the handyman section. It's going to be kind of divided in all shelving up and down, 2x4 OSB shelving. And it's going to be loaded out for different employees. Each person's got their own rack with their tools, all that stuff, and then they can just load up and go. We're a big fan of Milwaukee, so we have the pack out system, and that's what's going to be going on there. Today, I've been working on this workbench. Literally just slapped this up. This has got a long ways to go, but it's sturdy. These are about 9 by 9 roughly, and working on a little charging station. Just going to get this a place to like just tinker with stuff. You see I got that lamp there. That lamp's got to get fixed for somebody. Stuff like that. So moving on here, back into this little cubby. It's kind of a weird layout. I don't know if this was an addition at some point. I guess it probably was. Otherwise, this is a really weird shaped building. So this is going to be our painting section, this back column. So probably to about where that water bin is, to the far end of it, back is going to be, on both sides, is going to be like our painting shelves with all of our paint and all that stuff. So we'll build those out eventually. And then the back half of it, we're going to use as a spray booth. We're going to get it all cleaned up, plasticed off there, and use that so we can paint cabinets, all that stuff. Like I said, painting is our bread and butter. So that is definitely something we're looking forward to. Coming along to the right side of the garage here, we're not really sure what we're going to do with this yet. This is going to be just more storage. Maybe this will be like a bigger equipment thing, like the pressure washers, stuff like that. We'll see. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure about anything right now, but I'll do an update once we get this figured out. And then we got all this space by the door here as well. So I was thinking about making some kind of like, almost like a break room or something. We'll do like a couch, refrigerator, a microwave, coffee pot, stuff like that. Something little, like a nice little thing. It is propane heated, so that is nice. And yeah, we're really looking forward to it. Like I said, we've been operating out of a storage unit for, I think, 2.5 years now. So getting really done with that and just looking forward to having something bigger, something we can really just kind of make our own. Just like the problem is we got our trailers, right? So I have a little trailer 5x8. That's like the handyman trailer. It's got all of my Milwaukee pack out, all my tools in there. And then we have a big 7x14 paint trailer. That's just loaded out for painting. So that's out on a job right now. The handyman trailer is here. I'll show you a look outside. We got plenty of space to park our trailers, trucks when we get them, stuff like that. So looking forward to that. But yeah, this is the shop, and let me show you outside quick, and that'll be that. Just head out the door quick here. Place is all insulated. So all we got to do is pay rent, $500 a month, and then electric and propane, and water. So not bad at all. And if we look out here, we got plenty of space to park our trailers. Plenty of space. Entrance is right there. We can park all this. Landlord owns that building too, so we can park our trailers all in here. Trucks, not bad at all.